Something about the Christmas season feels so nostalgic on this home tour. Maybe it's that Kimberlee home decor is sentimental with some vintage Christmas decorations. Some of these you will remember from your own childhood, such as musical instruments reminiscent of Christmas songs, some old ornaments gathered for Christmas trees. Whatever your style, these Christmas decorations will fill your home with that old French or vintage charm. Go ahead and try rustic Christmas decorating ideas with a sign you can make at home. If you're into crafts, there are some DIY Christmas decorations that make great weekends projects. Make a lot of details with the pine branches that you can combine with your white tableware or the antique decorations in a dazzling decoration to brighten up your mantelpiece and shelves. The Christmas theme can be very varied, but if your inspiration is music, this past summer my husband received this great-grandfather's old violin he brought over from Sweden. As soon as I saw it, I imagined it on the piano. At Christmas, it inspired the theme for the music parlor of this year's snowy, silent night, she says. Travel back in time this holiday season with these Christmas decorations.